AIF06ZPFC series from Artesyn is a power factor correction module that provides a nominal, non-isolated 6-amp 400-volt DC output from a wide-range input with a unity power factor and a high conversion efficiency over 97.5%. Rated at 2,400 watts in an industry-standard full-brick form factor, the AIF06ZPFC series has a power density of 395 watts per cubic inch. Power factor correction shapes the input current to optimize efficient power draw from the AC line while minimizing distortion at the utility interface. The PFC modules are used as a standalone power supply for a variety of industrial, medical, and other high-voltage applications. Applications are as diverse as X-ray equipment, insulation test, and high-voltage motors and pumps. They are also ideal for applications where a high power source at low current is needed for power transmission over long distances, such as tethered drones. Artesyn's existing power factor correction modules use a similar robust construction method, which have been proven reliable at up to 50 G lateral shock and vibration. AIF06ZPFC series PFC modules offer extensive monitoring, protection, and adjustment facilities. The modules feature accurate current sharing for parallel operation, with 2 units able to share current with no additional external components required. An optional version is designed for applications that can support 3 to 10 modules connected in parallel to provide up to 24 kilowatts of power in a modular, scalable manner, which requires external rail rectifiers to be added. The AIF06ZPFC also features an internal inrush limiting function that eliminates the requirement to provide this function externally, significantly simplifying application design and realization with increased overall efficiency. The 400 volts DC output can be used to supply downstream DC-DC modules or as a standalone unit to supply high-voltage current to the end application. Remote communications are supported by a built-in PM bus interface, and internal memory provides user data storage. Based on an encapsulated design that incorporates a thermal baseplate, the AIF06ZPFC series PFC module has a baseplate operating temperature range of -20 to 100 degrees Celsius, supplying full power throughout that range, and can start up from temperatures as low as -40 degrees Celsius, making it ideal for harsher industrial and medical environments. For more information, please visit www.artesyn.com.